So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, my name is Purvi, and if you wanted to stick around then do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any video when I will upload it. So guys, sorry for the last weekend on Sunday I have not uploaded any video because I was not feeling well, and the week was rough for me, so that's why I have not uploaded anything on Sunday. Today's video is all about things you should know before you coming to Ukraine, or why you should choose Ukraine for your medical graduations. So as you know guys that I am currently studying and living in the Dnipro city of Ukraine, and it's my last year of the medical studies, and I have spent my whole 6 years here, so I thought why not share with you guys what are my experiences and what you should expect when you decided to come to Ukraine for your medical studies. So before going to the main video, I wanted to say you one thing that I have seen guys that so many of you, at least 90% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. And guys, if you are enjoying my content, so do subscribe to my channel. It's not fair, you should subscribe to my channel. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So guys, the first main concern is the expenses, how expensive the Ukraine is. So as you know guys that in today's time students are mostly preferred to study in abroad for their medical graduation, because they find affordable to study abroad than that in India. And so here comes the Ukraine, and because it is a very small country, approximately 43.73 million population, and so the expenses are not so high and the fees are very low comparative to another country. In Ukraine, the MBBS course is of 6 years. They will give you the degree of MBBS plus MD, and so if you estimate the fees for total 6 years, then it will come approximately 30 to 35 lakh rupees, and it's vary from different colleges. Like if you go to another college in another city, so the fees will be like slightly higher or slightly lower, but it will come between 30 to 35 lakhs. Second thing guys, and it is my personal experience, so I am sharing with you, like if you are decided to come to Ukraine, then you have to be mentally and physically prepared for everything, every situation. So why I am saying that, because first, why you have to be mentally prepared, because see guys, you are coming from India to Ukraine, and it is very long distance from your family, from your friends, from your loved ones. And so if you are suffering from anything here, like you are feeling low or something, then no one here to take care of you, only you are here to take care of yourself. You will feel like you have to go home, and here we only get 2 months to go back to our family and friends and spend time with them, and after that we have to come back here. You have to prepare for everything whatever will come to your way, so be mentally prepared. And second, physically, because the winter here is very extreme. First year you will think like, you will be like, yeah, it's first snow, and you will be very happy, but after that you will not like, because you have to go each and every day to your classes, no matter how the heavy the snowfall is, how windy is, how rainy is, you have to go to the class. And if you will not go, then they will put absent, and you have to clear that. So the third thing is how you get admission, is you have to give any entrance exam to get admission here. So in any college in Ukraine, I think you do not have to give any entrance exam, but you have to pass NEET entrance exam, which happened in India every year, and you get admission here because government of India has changed many rules. And then after 6 years, when you complete, you know guys, we have to give the entrance exam in India, MCI. But don't worry guys, because students of India will also give this same exam, the next exam, with us. So there is no difference from where you are studying until you pass your next exam. And if you want to get more information about the next exam, then I have made a special video on the next exam, the pattern and how it will be held. So if you want to see that, then go to the I button, or I will link it down in the description box. You can see there. Fourth thing, that if you are coming here, you definitely need to learn the Russian language, not for your studies, because the teacher teach you in English language only. But if you go outside your college, if you want to buy something, if you want to go here or there, anywhere, you have to able to talk in Russian language, because most of the people here don't know English at all. So you have to learn their language. But don't worry, from first to third year they have the special Russian language classes, where they will teach you how to speak, how to write in Russian. They will teach you that. So the fifth is, what about the exam pattern here? So we have to go through the Croc 1 exam and the Croc 2 exam, which is held every 3 years. Like in third year you have to give Croc 1 exam, and in sixth year you have to give the Croc 2 exam. This exam is taken all over the Ukraine as the state exam. So guys, the important point, the biggest concern for every parents, and I know that I am also a daughter and a girl, and my parents' biggest concern was that is my daughter will be safe in another country, is the city is safe, how the city is, like protection wise, how the Ukraine is. So I tell you that yes, Ukraine is safe country, especially for girls, because the country's girl to boy ratio is 3:1. So the population of girls here is more than the boys. So girls are very much secured here. The seventh point is the classes, how the classes are, and in what pattern they are going to held. So guys, here they are very concerned and very strict about the classes. As I told you that you have to go to class anyhow, and you have to clear every class. If you have any absent you have to clear, and for clearing the classes you have to go to the dean's office, and you have to get permissions from there, and then you can go to clear that class which you are having absent. And if you not get the permission, they will not take the rework. And if you miss any one class and you forgot to rework that class, so they will not let you to sit in the exam. So before exam you have to clear each and every class of every subject. Okay, so the 8th point is, they don't have campus, college campus, as you have seen in India that you have a big campus. If you are studying in medical college, then the hospitals are also in the campus only. Here it is not like that. They have only the main building, and there you have some classes, and if you have another class you have to go to the another building, and so on. So there is no campus, and if you are having the hospital duty, you have to the hospital which is in the city, or maybe sometimes you have to go outside the city for your hospital duties. So they don't have campus. And the 9th point is how you get the admissions. So guys, for admission you can personally fill the admission form and submit in online sites of the colleges, or you can contact our contractors which can help you through all the processes, because they know the process very well and can make your process faster in India and as well as in Ukraine. So number 10th is, how will you know that your admission is done? After getting admissions, the college will provide you the admission letter and the invitation letter, and so you get to know that yes, your seat is booked and you have get admission in college and the visa for Ukraine, as the admission opened here till November. So if you are deciding to study abroad, so don't waste your time and take admission here, because you have time now. So guys, these are the 10 important points which I wanted to share with you. So guys, for more details about admission, I will put every details in the description box, so you can check there. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful in any way. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then you know what you have to do. Just like this video, share with your friends who are planning to come to Ukraine, and subscribe to my channel, because I upload videos every single week on Sunday. And please turn on the post notifications. And guys, if you have any questions regarding this, then feel free to comment down below in the comment section. I will answer every question of yours. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.